Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are having a lovely day and you are ready to settle in and join me for another review video. This is of a new handbag I picked up in March, so I've had it for a couple of months now. If you haven't seen the thumbnail, it is the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. So grab yourself a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a glass of wine or a glass of water and let's dive into this video and I'll share with you guys my review. I'm also going to do a what's in my bag video showing you guys what can fit in it and just kind of like how I use it, how I style it, and hopefully give you guys a bit of an insight into the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, and if you are a seasoned subscriber, hello and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys get such a kick out of my review videos and I absolutely love doing them. Me personally, whenever I go to purchase a new bag or a new pair of shoes or really anything, I love jumping on YouTube and watching people's reviews and just to get a sense of how people are finding the item, how they're wearing the item, and pros and cons. So hopefully I can help shed some light on this bag for you guys. Here is the bag. This is my brand new, not recent, I will be doing an unboxing video shortly, but this is one of my most recent bags in 2020. This was a birthday gift to myself. Now the reason I bought this for myself, it is the bum bag. It is a very bizarre bag. I probably will never wear this as a bum bag, but we'll talk about that more later on in the video. But the reason I bought this bag is because I have a couple of sports brand bum bags like PE Nation, and I've got an Adidas one, and I was actually wearing them quite a lot. I found that they were just really easy to chuck things in, chuck it on my shoulder if I was going to like the supermarket or to Pilates or like on a walk with my girlfriends, brunch. Like, it's just such a handy, cool bag. So I thought that I would take the step and invest in a designer bum bag. And yeah, I'm so happy. I am so happy I've done this. This bag, when I went into store, apparently it's super hard to get. They were all sold out in Australasia, so there was none in Australia, none in New Zealand, and then I had to go on a waiting list, which I was a bit disappointed because I'm such a now person and I was so excited and ready to get this bag, but then I had to wait. So a couple of weeks went by and I thought I'd pop on the website and it said that they had them available online. Now I'm not too sure where they come from online. I called up and ordered it and I got it within like 3 or 4 days of ordering online, which is amazing. So kudos to Louis Vuitton online for super fast online shopping. Especially, this was before, this was in March, so shipping and everything was normal. I don't know what it would be like now. So got the bag and I've just been loving it ever since. I've literally been living in this bag. On my Instagram, all my most recent posts are me wearing this bag. So I need to start wearing my other ones because I don't want to overwear it just yet. I don't think I will. I feel like this is going to be a bag that's always in my collection. I mean, later on in life, if I have a child or when I have a child, this would be super handy just to chuck on. Obviously, you'd have bigger bags, but I just think that this would be a really handy, long life bag. And plus it's canvas, which is so durable. I've got the Neverfull in the canvas and it can just handle the jandal. So I'm really excited to see how this wears. So let's have a chat about what's inside, and then after I've shown you what I've got in here, we will look at the bag and I'll give you guys a bit of pros and cons about it and how I wear it. So at the moment it's got everything in there that I need, and as you can see there's still a lot of space. We've got a zipper back here, but I don't have anything in there. I might start putting my phone in there because that saves me having to go in and out of the main pocket. But I will open this up and show you guys what's inside. Now it's quite packed. I've got quite a lot of things in there. Just surprisingly, these are just my daily necessities, which is quite a lot of things. At the moment, first off is hand sanitizer, some lipstick. So I've just got a YSL lipstick. I might actually show you guys the color because, you know, why not? I've actually got it on right now. It's such a beautiful like pink YSL color. It's like not too dark, but not too like pinky, quite like a neutral color, as you can see. So we've taken, there's still like heaps of room in there, but there's still heaps of stuff. So we've got my sunglasses, so I'll show you my sunglasses. These are my absolute faves right now. They are the Celine cat eyes. These are something that I've been wearing a lot. I'm so glad I bought these. These were a lockdown purchase. Too much time, and I'm really glad I bought them because yeah, I wear them so much. Next up, I've just got a Chanel foundation like powder. No, it's like a liquidy sponge thing. I've also got my wallet. So I've actually got the large zippy wallet in here and it fits fine. And my phone. So that is everything in there at the moment. Oh no, wait. And this is my like Invisalign case because I'm doing the Invisaligns at the moment, which I love. So if you're thinking of doing braces or Invisaligns, go Invisaligns because they are so easy. Like I don't have them in at the moment, so you can take them on and off, which is the main reason why I decided to go with these ones. So that is everything. We've taken it all out. So like there's a lot of room in there. It's amazing that all those items fit in there. They sit comfortably. I don't feel like it weighs me down or anything. It's just like the weight is evenly like distributed against the strap. But let's start talking about the bag and yeah, give you guys my view on it. This, we'll get like a close-up view here. So this is the Monogram Louis Vuitton. This is the classic timeless monogram that is on a lot of their bags. We've got the Vachetta, I think that's how you say it, leather, the Louis Vuitton imprinted just there. Now, I'm not a huge fan, like I love the monogram, but I'm not a huge fan of the light leather just because I've seen how it wears over time and I don't know, I just don't like it. I feel like it makes the item look really old. I like it when it's clean and fresh and new, but I'm probably not going to treat it just because I'm too nervous. I don't know what I would put on it. So if you know or you've done it before, please let me know in the comments below. I'm in New Zealand. I know Applebee's or Apple Guard is what you guys use in America. However, we can't get that here. So if you are in Australia or New Zealand and you've protected yours and it's worked, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to do it, but yeah, I'm just a little bit nervous. So that's probably a con for me, is the fact that this will discolor. If you actually have a look at it now, so I've worn this in the rain and it was raining and there's like droplets on the leather already. Sorry, it's so like bright out there. I'm just against a window. So I don't know if you can see that, but you know, I haven't even had it for that long and we've already got a bit of water marking on the leather there. So, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm wearing this bag as like a durable, throw around, everyday bag. So I don't expect it to stay in like super nice condition. However, I would love it to because I want this bag to stay in my collection for a really long time. Once we've had a look at that, we've got gold detailing on the bag. So we've got the zip out the back there, which is gold, and I love that. I love gold. I love the gold detailing. I don't love this. I'm not 100% sure what the idea behind having this is here. Like, do I hang my keys on it, or do I get like keychain things? I don't know. I'm just gonna like ignore it. I do like the gold there though. I think it just kind of like ties all the gold in nicely. But yeah, it's a very odd thing placed there. And then we've got the strap here, which is super adjustable. So you've got the adjustable bit just here, but you've also got the strap here, which you can also adjust. So it can go as a bum bag, which I'm probably never gonna wear the bum bag for its actual use as a bum bag because I just can't pull it off. It's quite a big bum bag, and I don't know about you guys, whenever I think of bum bags, I just think of like tourists, like super tourists, like the ones that wear socks with their Birkenstocks, and I guess that's a trend now, but you know who I'm talking about, those like super touristy people. Maybe when I'm older and I just like glide into that super touristy vibe, then I might wear it as a bum bag, but can confirm I probably will never wear it as a bum bag, but I wear it like across my body. I'll insert some photos on the side here. So I'd wear it like across my body, and I'd also wear it like hanging off the side, which I think is really nice. That's how I wear it a lot, is actually in the front. So by wearing it in the front of my body, it's easy for me to access everything, and I can also swish it around to have the bum bag at the back. That way I can eat and drink and I don't have to worry about anything kind of falling on the bag because it's at the back of me. I'll show you guys what it looks like as a bum bag, but can confirm it's not for me. If you can pull this off as a bum bag, kudos to you. You have some serious style. For me, I just haven't quite found the best way to wear it as a bum bag. So I'll wear it as a side body bag and a shoulder bag. I have seen women holding the bag as so, just like that, and I've also seen women make the straps super small and attaching other Louis Vuitton straps to it. I will play around with that and see how that goes, but right now I'm just loving it as a bum bag. I think it's just a really beautiful bag. Another a con, let's talk about some cons, because I mean, as much as I love this bag and I'm just so freaking happy that it's in my collection, I'm a huge Monogram Louis Vuitton fan. There is a con when it comes to the zipper. So not only do you have to kind of flip this up before you open the zipper, which I guess is good for safety. So if you use it as a bum bag, that way people can't just open it easily. They have to actually flip this up. But if you've got it across your body like so, and it hasn't happened to me yet, but I feel like it's going to one day, where you've opened it up or it's open and you forgot to close it and you lean forward, everything will just fall out. I could see that happening. I've had a couple of near misses, but that is something that I am definitely conscious about. But I think the back of the zip, even though I've never used it, I think I'm going to start using that for my phone. That way I don't have to go in and out of the front pocket as much, risking everything falling out. But I really, really love this bag. I think it is such a cool piece. It'll really like jazz up any outfit, and you can look super trendy and you can have like a cool mum vibe or just a cool vibe with any outfit, because it's quite an edgy bag and it's really having a moment right now. The fact that it is always sold out, a lot of big influencers and celebrities are wearing this bag, so it is definitely having a moment. I don't see it going away anytime soon. My only worry is I will personally overwear it, just because it's so like confronting. It's like it's right there. I'm just worried that I might get sick of it. I don't think I will. I literally love grabbing this bag. I got it in March. It's now June. And I get so excited to wear this. I get so excited just taking it out, putting it on. And I don't see myself getting sick of it, but that is just in the back of my mind with previous bags that I've owned and sold, is that I've overworn them, which I am kind of overwearing this because I'm literally only wearing this right now. So I'm going to shuffle it around. But I do think as a bag, it's a really, really good price point. Now with designer goods, they are expensive. You are paying for the quality, for the name, for the fabrics and all that sort of stuff. So when I bought this maybe 2 weeks before the price increased. Very lucky. I don't know how, it was a complete fluke. So happy I did that. So if you are looking at buying it, sorry, it has increased but not by much. But when I purchased this in New Zealand, I purchased it retail for $2,490, which, yes, that is actually, it is a lot of money when it comes to a bum bag. But for a bag from Louis Vuitton, that's kind of around about what you're looking at as your entry level when it comes to a bag. They are more expensive than Gucci's entry level bags. However, they do hold the test of time a little bit more, especially if you're keeping with the monogram or the demier print. Or any of those sorts of classic timeless canvas looks. But right now it's retailing for 2,700 New Zealand retail. So it has increased a little bit, but not by much. And I mean, it is a bit expensive, but I feel like if you're gonna buy a bum bag from Louis Vuitton, you've thought about this. Like, I thought about this for maybe 6 months. I was umming and ahhing, like, do I really stop and buy a designer bum bag because I have other bum bags, so why do I need another one? But then I kind of justified it by the fact that I actually wear those other bags so much, and it would be so cool to have a designer bum bag, which is where I kind of came to. And plus I thought it was my birthday, I'll treat myself. instead of just being like a silly purchase. I actually waited to purchase this. Really glad I did. Love this bag. It'll be interesting to see how it wears. Like I said, I've never owned anything from Louis Vuitton that is this monogram with the light leather. I normally go for the other one with the squares that is dark, because you've got the dark leather which doesn't age. So I'm interested to see how it ages. But yes, that is my review. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. See ya!